Hi guys, welcome back to Armcandy. I hope you're all okay. We are back today with this beautiful mulberry iris. It's in size small, in the colour solid grey. I love this colour, I love the iris, I love the whole design of this. And I think in the size small, it's my favourite. I just love the plaited handle of the iris as well. It's a really, really cute little bag. So you've got this removable, adjustable strap. You've got your mulberry cloche there with your key ring inside. And then you've got these little ribbons down the side that you can pull in. And then you've got your beautiful plaited top handle. And then on the top, you've got a little magnetic presser to fasten, this beautiful microfiber lining, and then one zipped pocket as well. So a really beautiful design. I really love this bag. I'll come back and show you the sizing of it. So here it is on me. I'm about 5'4", a UK size 8, size 10. All the exact measurements will be on the website. So if you click the link in the description, it should take you straight to this on our website where you can see all of the details about it. If you click that link and it doesn't take you straight to this, I'm sorry, that does mean that it has sold. But don't worry, we do have a request list. So if you were after anything in particular, this or anything else, get in touch, let us know, and we will let you know when we get one in. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and sign up to our newsletter so you get 5% off your first Armcandy purchase. This comes with the whole shebang, basically. You can make this a gift very, very easily. You've got your mulberry paper bag, your mulberry dust bag, and then you've got all the paperwork as well. So you've got your mulberry product tag there, you've got your mulberry envelope, which has got your mulberry compliments card inside. Then you've got your mulberry envelope, the small one, with your mulberry care card in there too. So you kind of have everything that you need in here. And then condition, it's in a really fantastic condition. The condition is lovely. We've called the exterior condition very, very good. The exterior condition is beautiful. It's really, really lovely. The only reason we've called it very, very good is because just here, just near the fold, can you see that there? There's a slight scratch. It's tiny, it's kind of barely visible. But that's why we've called the exterior very, very good and not excellent, just because of that little mark. The interior we have called very good. So the interior, again, there's nothing sort of particular to show you, but you can just tell that it has been used. But it's still in a really lovely condition and there's no dark marks or anything like that. So that's why we've called that. You can see a little bit of sparkle. It's like sparkle in bags. They're never coming out. You can never get them out, but they always appear. But yeah, you can see it is really, really lovely. And the hardware we have called good condition. So this piece of hardware here actually has got its little plastic wrap still attached. But in here you can see there's just a little bit of silver coming through, and then where the handles attach, you can see there is some silver just there coming through the gold. Can you see that bit better now? Yeah, so that's why we have called that good. But overall you can see the condition is just absolutely lovely. So if you love this mulberry iris, check it out on our website. Like I said, the link's in the description. Have a look at this, have a look at the rest of our Armcandy, and we'll see you very soon with some more.